Yun oh, maliliit na isda. Wow, it's a frog.
Yeah, big one.
There you are. It's a frog. Frog.
Big one.
Oh, yes.
Beautiful.
Is it?
Very green.
It's a wild frog. This
I
is
think
a
so.
wild frog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Oh,
a-
wild frog.
Green cascade.
Frog.
This one?
Very ugly.
No, it's cute. I think
Oh,
it's
what
cute.
is this?
Cute.
Newt. Hong Kong
Newt. Wow. And this. Oh, it's a turtle. Turtle.
It's not working. Oh, yeah.
Oh. Oh.
But this is not real. This is just a model. Yeah, so you press and then it's like flesh,
Flesh
eating.
eat.
Yeah, eater. Eating the flesh.
Oh. And this. Nalaing daag English. Hala. Crab.
Awan net.
Ni crab, ni crab. Awan net to. Yan ni crab ni nga kuhan ni nagbas. Nalaing daag English.
Wow, this is a big one.
Wow. Oh,
This is horseshoe
horseshoe
crab.
crab.
1, 2. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah, you're the one inside.
Wow.
Yeah, it's moving. Yes.
Yeah,
Wow,
yeah, coming
moving
out.
fast. Wow, pretty fast. Yeah.
Crab.
Wow. It's very special kind of crab.
Tani naman yan. Madikay nga madilit natin yung badak sa diba.
Mad